Auto Radiator Sales and Repairs, Adelaide, South Australia. Established in 1971, Holden Hill Radiators is the longest running radiator repair shop in the northeast area. Well known and recommended by many car clubs, the business is currently run by the owners. Offering a range of services and retail parts, there is huge potential to hire staff and expand. The business boasts a prime location on a busy main road intersection, ensuring plenty of passing trade and referrals. With work coming in from all over the state and a fantastic reputation, there is very little competition. Customers include retail, mechanical, and the crash trade, car clubs, and classic car cooling systems. Mechanical qualifications are not required to be a radiator repairer, but mechanical knowledge is an advantage. The new owner might offer air conditioning repairs and regassing, heater core replacement, auto electrical work, and more.